Good day and welcome back once again. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guides to claim your Blum airdrop. All you need to do is to watch the video till the end, and if it's the first time you're coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. The reason why the claiming is important for you to understand now is that just like the way other airdrops have been doing, immediately Blum airdrop list, the price may start decreasing immediately. But if you know how to trade and sell your own immediately, then you will stand at a good advantage. Okay, before we move on, I believe you must have seen your allocation. If you click on check my tokens, you can see this is the allocation given to me after hard working on Blum airdrop. Although I think it's a mistake by them that they'll correct it very soon, but yet we don't see anything, any correction at the moment. Okay, because the problem is applicable to general people, as majority were allocated with 10.5. okay, so guys, to claim Blum airdrop is very simple. Okay, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to claim it. And one thing that should come to your mind is that Blum may not list on centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit and others. Okay, they are going to list on this particular memepad. If we click on memepad here, you can see it right here. Okay, so this is where the listing of Blum is going to take place. Just see right here, as you can see, people's coins are here and people are buying and selling here. If you come to DEX here, which is decentralized exchanges, you can see the coins here. I think you understand. Now let us go to step-by-step process to to trade Blum successfully or to claim and sell. Okay, so the first thing is you are going to go to their app, and here you can see the news release on their Telegram community yesterday, which is about how the claiming works. Okay, so from the beginning to the end, I think you understand. Now if we read it carefully, it says that how does Blum claim works. Okay, so here it says from this particular place, you can claim your airdrop anytime but only once. Whatever left unclaimed gets burned. Okay, reduce the total Blum supply at TGE. So here 30% becomes available immediately, that is on the TGE and listing day. The 30% will be available for you to claim. The remaining 70% unlocks daily over 180 days. So here, if we scroll down a little bit, it says that you decide when to claim to get the most out of your airdrop. Here's how it works. If you have 10 blooms, let's assume you have 10 blooms, on the claiming day, you only be able to claim this amount here, which is a 1 bloom, and when you claim 1 bloom, 7 bloom will be burned on that day. You understand? That means on the claiming day, if you want to claim, you can only claim 3 bloom. So claim at the 30, that is after the next 30 days. If it is that time you are claiming, you will be able to claim 10.17% out of the 10 given to you, and from here 5.8 out of that 10 will be burnt. So after the 90 days, you only be able, that if you leave it till 90 days to claim, you can only claim 6.5, and when you claim that 6.5, the remaining 3.5 will be burnt. So the only day you'll be able to claim everything is after 180 days. Okay, so after the 180 days, you'll be able to claim 10 over 10, and when you claim that 10 over 10, the remaining the 0 will be burned because nothing will be left, and it is the final claiming that you'll be able to claim everything. So from Blum's strategy now, it's also a disadvantage to claim on the TGE and listing day. But to me, I will claim, and I believe other people should do as well, because we already know where this airdrop is heading to. They are planning dust. Okay, and even if they list well now, with this their strategy, nobody will be able to get anything much from this airdrop. Right from allocation, they have punished us already till the ending. But we have suffered mining this project, and at the end of everything, you just have to claim what you have. If they lie, they should burn everything. Claim your own. I think you understand. and at the bottom here say how is your Blum airdrop level set. Rank is based on your overall percentile ranking, which takes into account multiple factors like main point, Blum Points, drop gameplay, check-ins, farming, friends and their activity. That is why some users with different Blum Points might get the same Blum allocation. So from their statement here, it seems that what they did, to them it is correct, okay, by allocating the same thing to the community. And from here, the communities are so angry over what Blum is doing, because if we come to comment section here, I'm very sure many people are angry. You can see people laughing. Okay, you see it now. You can see that everybody is angry about this funding allocation given. You can see, I think you can see the way everybody is just typing all these things. So to me, it is not good for Blum to do this kind of thing after everything we have done. Daily tapping game, a lot of activities, to the extent during the final qualification, as stated earlier, I have to trade this memepad with my own turn, and at the end of the day, I don't think this allocation given to me will even be able to bring back the turn I gave to them. But it is fine, because from what they are doing here on pre-markets now, we are seeing several price of 0.02. This is the majority price we have seen so far, 0.02. You understand? So multiply this 0.02 by whatever they give you is nothing. You understand? From the allocation already, whatever they give you, multiply this 0.02 by it is nothing. Except they are having the mind of listing with around 5 USDT, 5 or 3 USDT, everything will be dust. And I don't think this Blum I'm seeing will be listing with 5 USDT or 3 USDT. But let's wait and see. And this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.